Maybe Jesus wants to heal that. Maybe you and I would much rather prefer him writing a message to us on the wall, the clouds parting, and angels descending, blowing trumpets, than to hear God's word through some average Joe that sits next to you in church. I mean, think about it. Wouldn't we rather hear a message from God in some glorious and profound way than through someone, handing us a Post-it note and going, I think this might be for you? It requires humility, doesn't it? How much do you want to hear God? He does speak in profound and supernatural ways, but most of the time, in my experience, he speaks through people that I know in my life, and I need to hear him.